Stop by and take a look at the 2015 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV. Advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, auto-off headlights, power driver mirrors, remote trunk release, power passenger mirrors. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.